What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all doing amazing, having a great morning so far. I've been working super hard today. It's about 5.5 hours strong right now on phone calls, but I actually just finished my last call for the day. My schedule was supposed to be booked until 8 p.m., but it's only 4:30. So I gotta figure out what happened there. But anyways, I've basically just been on calls all day with you guys, actually, people that book calls to talk to me. I'm booked out for the next week or so, pretty much nonstop. You know, I don't want to be on calls all day, but I've been able to provide a lot of value. I've been able to learn a lot about myself. And really, I'm just pushing myself out of my comfort zone, which I think is really good to do. Do what most people want so you can have what most people can't. Hopefully I said that right. Something along those lines. Basically, you're doing things, taking actions that most are scared and fear doing, so you can have the things that people can't have, whether it's freedom or a Ferrari. There's lots of things that could incorporate into that quote. But anyways, today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on my computer and just show you real quick how I find upsell products and downsell products. What I mean by that is basically whenever you have a product, let's say for example, I have this little phone or camera battery charger right here. What I would do is whenever someone clicks add to cart, I'm gonna upsell a similar product. So let's say for example, a tripod for the camera. So I would upsell that. Let's say I'm charging 20 bucks for this, and then I upsell this for 20 bucks. Or even 30 bucks. Most of the time you would do higher than what the original product was. Now, if they add to cart, good. That's that. They purchase and you increase your average order value by a lot, more than the original one. It's gonna help benefit your ads a lot by becoming more and more profitable and getting the most out of your customers. Now, what you can do also is a downsell. Let's say, you know, they added this to cart, but they said no to this offer. So maybe I'll downsell them something cheaper, like right here, I have my car keys. Say I downsell my car keys for 10 bucks. So it's cheaper than the upsell item. And most of the time, you do related products, obviously. This is just an example, but you're gonna get a lot higher of an average order value. So let's go ahead and hop on my computer and show you guys how it's all done.
All right, I can't see my screen too good because of this sun in my face, but we're gonna have to make it work. So here we are on my screen. As you can see, people requested I do screen recording instead of recording it from my camera. So I'm gonna do this real quick. So for example, let's use the same example we had right there. Let's say we're using a camera battery charger. This is a resource that I use a lot for finding upsell and downsell items, Amazon, okay? So what I would do, go here, type in camera battery charger. Of course, there's a ton of different batteries, tons of different chargers, but we're just gonna pick one as an example. So let's find one that has, you know, a decent amount of orders. All right, this one has almost 1,200 orders on Amazon. You know, they use the #1 bestseller, which is most of the time just like a marketing ploy. But what I do is, let's say this is a product I'm selling on my store. Most of the time you can find products you're gonna sell on your store on Amazon or another big retail site that you can use, such as Walmart, eBay. You can do a similar thing here, but this is just how I do it on Amazon, excuse me. I scroll down and I see, all right, what are they upselling and downselling? They do the frequently bought together and the related items. So like I said, this is the battery charger. So if I scroll down here, we can see, all right, you know, this charger is $36 with the battery, and what they're doing is upselling. You know, they're not necessarily upselling. This is just a frequently bought together. Is the bundle here for the SD card, which is more expensive, which is the upsell, and then this is the downsell, which would be the screen protector. So literally this does all the work for me essentially. Now it doesn't work this perfect every time, but if I was selling this battery charger, I would upsell this SD card for more than what they're paying for the charger. And if they click no, then I'm gonna downsell them, you know, something else that's, you know, it costs less money, but still provides value to that customer because it relates to that specific product. So this is just a simple task that I do every single time when I'm adding a new product to my store that I'm gonna test, because why would I not wanna have upsells and downsells on my product page? Why would I wait to get success with the product and then add upsells? You know, you're gonna miss out on a lot of potential money. And another thing you do, you can scroll through here to these sponsored related items, things like that. You really just scroll through, and you can even browse on the search page to see what else they have to offer that's similar. So this is a pretty simple example here, guys, but hopefully you understood it and it's effective for you guys. And by the way, the app that I use to set up my upsells and downsells is Discounted Upsells. So that's a pretty good app. I definitely recommend you guys all check it out and use it. No, I'm not getting paid to say this. I just love the app, and I use it a lot. Maybe I'll have to hit them up and see if I can get a sponsorship. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.